You're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to generate an image with Bard AI. The first thing you want to do is go onto Google and you're going to type in Bard AI. From there, you're going to select the first option which says Gemini Chat to supercharge your ideas. You're going to tap on that. Then you will be redirected to this page. From here, you're going to tap where you see enter a prompt here. So you're going to tap on the search bar. And then from there, you want to type in generate an image. You want to ensure that you have given it that prompt. And then you can type in the type of image that you would like to generate. For example, you can type in generate an image of a flower garden. So let's do that real quick. A flower garden in Mars. Then you'll tap on return. After you have done that, you're going to give it a few seconds. And then you can see right here, it is generating the images. Once it has generated the images, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the image to enlarge it. So you can see how they look right there. And you could download the image by tapping on the download icon in the top right hand corner right there. You can do that and you can view the different images as you can see here. And that's it. It is as easy as that to use Google Bard to generate AI images. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.